We're Chris and Jenny, and we're on our biggest adventure yet. This year, we're visiting Europe and Asia to see what it's like to live in these areas. We're sure that there's going to be great food, interesting people, and tons of adventure. So let's get going. Here we are at the Source du Lison. Looks like you could walk up right to it. Mustard vending machine.
Open that plate. Yes, please.
And I'm curious about just the radish as well. Just get it with the radish. Good radish. I guess I get a little bit of gingerbread, sure.
Which one's your favorite side?
Let's try just the burgundy.
Got you.
Thank you.
The bigger pieces are really nice and crunchy. It's really fresh.
Bigger pieces of radish?
Yeah. Yeah, they taste like, yeah, just radish.
My first croque monsieur here in France. Come with reservations, be ready, plan ahead. Right now we're in the harvest season, so it's hard to get into the vineyards or anything.
There are so many things to explore.
Of the residences of the Duke. It's a gift from the Duke, but the chef was not like that.
But yeah, Jenny's right, it's gotten pretty ramshackle out here. At least they have power, okay?
Buy this. Would you buy a house like this?
Why would I buy one of these? This one right here is the chapel, right? Cute flower. They definitely have some sort of food. We've made it into Café de France, where it's more of a diner with family style seating, and they've got sort of plates of the day. So we'll just see what today is. We couldn't make it in yesterday, it was just too busy. But today we're here, so we got to come in. We'll just see. I think there's a salad. I think you get some cheese. Not sure what those are. Looks like you get some ham and some pickles. And you get a very dressed salad, which actually looks very good. It's the right kind of dressing, the right amount for me. So on that work, plat du jour is 16 euros, so about 24 bucks for lunch.
Family style. You don't know what.
Family style, let's start with salad. That's true. Mom serves whatever she wants. All right, so the salad's good. It's a good amount of dressing. It's like a Caesar Thousand Island blend, but it's not quite Thousand Island because I know my Thousand Island. This meat pate.
Tastes like liver.
You think so?
A little bit of liver.
It could be, but it's a very soft and gentle liver in that sense. It's very nicely seasoned. That's really yummy. Oh yes, I think there's cuts of liver. I taste it. Cuts of liver in this meat pate. And then you get some,
In case you were still hungry.
yeah, lentil side. There's a lot of sides, plus the salad. And this is just all the starter. I think there's the main, and then potentially a cheese plate, and then potentially dessert. I'm hoping that's an extra cost, because it seems like a lot. I do love like cornichon though. Always good.
That's a lot of cheese.
That was really good. We really enjoyed Café de France, where they have a daily menu. I think it went from 15 euros to 16 euros. Still really good. All right, so we are now in the most famous part of the visit to Beaune, and that is yes. All right, we're at the Intermarché Super. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Oh, white chocolate, Jenny. White chocolate Snickers. Ice cream bar. 6.
6? We can't eat 6.
You have to eat 6 right now. Right, so we're in Chalon-Sur-Saone, and the apartments are not bad. You can go a little bit cheap. This one's a house. I'm guessing it's an older house, right? But pretty big. Like, if you look at that, it's a venti. No, it's pretty big. And then up there, you get another big old house. This one's like just an apartment, but it's a fancy one. Wow, look at that. That one looks really nice, actually, Jenny. This is from 1870. And look at the detail they could get already. Yeah, 1870. Quack, quack. Overall, pretty peaceful place. What you got there, Jenny?
A lion. Oh,
Lion bar.
Nice.
So it looks like it has nuts, caramel, and some sort of like wafer or nougat.
Yeah.
Yeah, we found a snack size. The nutrition score is E. It's the worst.
Of course.
But we got snack size. So it's okay.
Instead of nuts would be good. Oh.
That's very good.
Yeah? What's it taste like?
Tastes like a crunchy Snickers bar.
You recommend it?
Yeah, pretty good. But only snack size.
Yeah.
Don't get a whole bag.
Still made by Nestle, but you can't find that in Canada. Lion. Nice.
With warm goat cheese and walnut and fresh herb vinaigrette.
Yeah, this must be the goat cheese here in the middle. And so I decided on the salad, and Jenny got
The mackerels
the
with
mackerel.
black currant, potato vinaigrette, and whipped cream with Szechuan pepper.
Yeah. All right, let's give it a shot.
Toast them. They want it with You must just transfer it after.
It is nice. Nice warm goat cheese, as they say. Now, this bread is fresh. You could truffle this, add some hot sauce. Good bread. Good balance. Good mackerel. Is that potato?
Yeah.
Not overly sour mackerel. It's nice. Good.
Confit pork tenderloin and cocoa beans with comté and morteau, which are two types of cheese. Oh, pretty soft. Yeah. Yeah, it's soft.
Yeah.
It's really salty, but it's good.
Yeah. Try the cocoa bean.
They're beans.
Yeah, just like a big white bean.
Big white bean.
Big white bean. Cool. Looks like some olive oil, some cream sauce with the rice.
I have no recipe.
Curry rice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It looks like a black rice.
Mm-hmm.
It's quite nice.
Curry. 2 weeks into our time in France, and I think health is at the forefront of our minds.
The rice has a nice food to it, nice texture.
Yeah.
That is really nice with the soft fish.
Compliments the soft fish, agreed. The fact that it's fresh means there's no fishiness. No negative fishiness, just the right level of fresh fish taste. Yeah, the herbs, the garlic, the curry, and the rice. Especially the chew, of course. Tastes like a very homemade thing.
It's a very homemade restaurant.
Figgy tart.
Yeah. With some
Some
sorbet. Oh, very nice sorbet.
Oh, you don't like fresh figs? Huh.
When
Consistency.
the inside looks like an alien's inside.
That's true. That's what the insides of an alien would look like. They'd be figs.
Nice tart. Good layer, cooked well.
I didn't get anything so fancy. I got 4 cheeses, which is a lot of cheese for a very lactose intolerant man. All right, let's cheese up. All right, this first one has a bit of a darker orange outer crust, so make it a dessert. I don't think any of these cheeses are going to be nice and light. Next one's blue. It's a cleaner barn sort of smell and taste, right? So if you're in a pigsty, but you've just cleaned it, and then you opened your mouth and got a little bit of that flavor in there, yeah. Perfectly good, not upsetting at all. The firm cheese is really nice. Yeah, because it's a good break. You need to take a break. The firmer cheese doesn't have that ooey gooey scented flavor. It's more of just a straight cheddar sort of, but even lighter, more edging towards that Parmesan taste. Okay, so this is the herby one. Taste. Jamming it. Garlic herb. Why? Why garlic herb in a dessert? It's so garlicky. Ooh.
But you like it.
Wow. Well, yeah, I love it. It's so yummy. I don't think you go wrong with a cheese plate. There's always something that you'll find on it that you'll enjoy. Overall, restaurant was good. We were trying to must reserve, yes, as usual. It's busy. It's a full house, and so most places I think that are well known have good reviews. You just know, get in there, go online, reserve it first, or you get in a day early or 2 days early. I think you probably do it 2 days before, and that'd be all right. Yeah. Hi. You like attention? Hi. There's cars and bikes around. Okay, you be careful. Yeah. Booktown. At least Book Street. I mean, it's just a whole row of bookstores, which is sweet.
But we met a very nice man in
Jean-Paul?
a bookstore.
Oh.
Hello, Jean-Paul. Oh. Hi.
My books.
Let me take a picture. This is very cute.
Hey, little cat owner. Cat owner wants us to buy books or no?